As we take a look at the drought monitor across the region, you can see that, well, as anticipated, there is no drought across the area. It is still abnormally dry as you head from southern Burnett County down into the hill country. That's how severe of a drought they have been in down there. But as you can see, we go from last week to this week across the hill country and everything, and near San Antonio, we have really taken those colors down. In and around San Antonio, they didn't see as much rain. So still extreme to exceptional drought there, but definitely a huge impact with the recent rains across the hill country and into our area as well, as the drought really took a hit, and unfortunately it took a flood and fatalities for that to happen. And of course, we never want that to happen around here. As we take a look at our moisture tracker, you can see things have been a little bit drier today. Lack of cloud cover. It's been really obvious that upper high took over, and it looks like that will continue into Friday as well. Maybe a little bit more low-level moisture across the Brazos Valley, and that's where we could see an isolated storm threat. But another slug of moisture will come out of the western Gulf and push into our area as we make our way into Saturday afternoon and evening. That could lead to some scattered showers and thunderstorms as moisture values go up in the entire column of the atmosphere on Saturday. Then on Sunday, that passes by to the northeast, so we start to dry out once again. Some isolated thunderstorms will be possible. Then it really dries out as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week, as thunderstorm chances go away altogether, and it just gets hot and steamy around here. High temperatures with the heat index will go 94 on Friday, feeling like 101. When you factor in the humidity, 93 on Saturday with a few scattered storms around, 94 Sunday. And look at this, pushing the mid, maybe even upper 90s as we head toward the end of next week. And heat index values going up as well into that 104, 105 degree range. As far as rain chances are concerned, I don't think there'll be much around here on Friday. Brazos Valley, maybe a slight chance for a few storms. I did increase Saturday just a bit with that moisture coming into the area. 20% on Sunday, then taking it down Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. But more of our summer pattern is showing up. Notice the lack of thunderstorm activity across the area today. That is pushed off toward the east. Upper high is building into the southern plains, and that's allowing for that sinking air and not as much thunderstorm activity across the region. So typically what we see around here. As we make our way into the morning hours on Friday, there could be a few low clouds here and there, but things should be dry to start off the day. It'll be muggy though. By the afternoon hours, again, an isolated thunderstorm threat will be possible down toward Bryan College Station in Madisonville. I really don't think there's going to be much for the rest of us. And then as we get into Saturday, that next area of moisture begins to push in, and there you go. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible as we head into Saturday afternoon and evening. This is not going to be a washout, but just getting those pop-up thunderstorms and a downpour where they occur. And again, some folks will see it, some folks may not. And probably going to be on the may not for a lot of us. But if you get under one of these, probably a pretty good downpour on the way for you. Then that goes away Saturday evening. So for tonight, temperatures down into the middle 70s. We've got 74 in Waco, 75 Temple, and 73 in Killeen. Then it looks like it's going to be hot on our Friday. Highs in the middle 90s, feeling like it's just over 100 though when you factor in that humidity, and that will continue on into Saturday. 30% chance for a few thunderstorms, 20% on Sunday, and then just kind of hot and humid as we make our way into next week. Maybe a slight chance of a thunderstorm by Thursday, but other than that, temperatures are slowly climbing up what we should be around this time of year. And looking at the Brazos Valley, 93 degrees on Friday, 20% chance of an isolated storm, 30% Saturday, back to 20% Sunday. And then we are looking at some hot weather as we make our way into next week.